my head off then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Forces of your speakers, all that stuff can be a factor, but these are some tricks of the trade. If they help, you can buy me a beer later. If they don't, forget I ever mentioned it. All right, so trying to improve on a 166.86 in the port for Joe Calabrese in the Silver Malibu. Trying to improve on a 163.31 from Aaron Cheney in the Gunmetal Cruise. Aaron, are you ready? Joe, are you ready? Competitors are ready and in standby mode. 30 seconds on the clock. Here we go. A 163.78 for Aaron Cheney, so that did help slightly. 166.34, not making many improvements for Joe Calabrese, but a slight gain for Aaron Cheney in the Gunmetal Cruise with 10 seconds remaining. And imagine what that number may have been if that would have been your first burp. 163.78 will be an improvement. He does have one more if he would like to give it a shot. 166.34 is not going to get it done for Joe Calabrese's second attempt on improving. But this is the time to do some experimentation. Hopefully you don't blow nothing up in the process. Hey, we got a familiar face in Daryl Nova hanging out in the background scenes of the DB-10. What's up, Daryl? Glad you made it safely, brother. God bless you. All right, I think Aaron is ready. Joe, are you ready? Both competitors are ready and in standby mode. Trying to get their highest port scores, and there's 30 seconds on the clock to get it done. 163.50, a little bit light. 166.09, also not the best score of the day. So far the best score for port for Aaron Cheney in the Gunmetal Cruise came on his third attempt with a 163.78. And for Joe Calabrese, his best attempt was his first one with a 166.86. So did my advice help you at all, Aaron? Sweet. And I was no help to Joe. Sorry, bro. I tried. Okay.
So maybe that's what hurt it.
Maybe. Yeah, I lost almost the DB. All right, so both these competitors are going to be content with their point score.
Right, equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.